Alright friends, today we are going to draw a spring unicorn.
Yeah, we're going to draw one wearing a raincoat. We hope you're going to follow along. We're using our markers, but you can use whatever you have. All right, you ready to start?
Yes.
Let's first start with our unicorn's mouth. I'm going to draw a funny mouth and just a W right, right in the middle of my paper. And then we could draw the eyes. We'll draw a circle. I'm going to draw a big circle on the left and also one over here on the right. And you guys at home could change your funny face. You could add a different mouth. You could also add extra details to the eyes. Let's draw a highlight. And then we're going to color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white. That part we sped up, so remember to pause the video for extra time. Okay, now let's draw the face. And I'm going to draw a cheek, and then the chin, and come back up for the other cheek. Oh, I love how big you're drawing yours. It's going to fill the whole paper. Next time I draw our unicorn, I'm going to draw it the same size as yours. Now we can draw the top of our rain hat. I'm going to start, we could also add a little guide point here, and maybe to help us, we could draw a guide point in the middle, and then another one over here on the other side of the cheek. And then we could start up here and we could draw a curve that comes down and connects to the side. And then we could draw another curve coming down, connecting to the other side. Then above our little hat, we're going to draw the horn sticking out of the hood. So we can draw an upside down letter V. And then at the bottom, we can draw a curve. And let's also draw two curves inside of the horn. Yeah. All right, now we're going to draw the rest of the hood, and we're going to start here on the horn, and we're going to come down really close to this line, but not touch. And then we can do the same thing over here on this side. Come down really close, but not touch. And then we're going to connect the hood at the bottom. So we're going to come under the chin, and I'm going to stop there and pick my marker up and come back over here to connect. And then right here, let's draw a letter V for the neck. And we could also draw hair. Let's draw cute hair. We'll draw it coming down and curving here. And then we could also draw a curve right here. I'm going to draw it coming down and connecting over here. And let's draw another one. I'm going to draw it close, but then get further away. And we could also draw another curve here. And then let's do the same thing on this side. I'm going to draw it coming down, connecting to the cheek, and then to the hood. And then we could also draw the same piece of hair, but over here on this side, we'll draw it curving down and then connect to the cheek. Oh, it's looking really cute, except let's draw little ears for a unicorn. I'm going to draw an upside down letter V there and a matching letter V on this side. Okay, and then we can also draw another smaller letter V, upside down letter V on each ear. Yeah, that looks really cute. Oh, we could also add eyelashes. Do you want to do that?
Yes.
I'll leave them off on my drawing. Let's also give our little hoodie some eyes. I don't know, extra eyes. I'm going to draw a circle and a highlight and then color it in on both sides. Just repeating the same steps that we did down here. And then let's draw the rest of the raincoat down here at the bottom. We'll draw two lines coming out. And I'm getting a little further away towards the bottom. And then we can connect those together down here. And then let's draw the middle of the coat. And we could also draw some buttons. And we could also draw a little drawstring. We'll draw it coming down on each side. Oh, let's make those thicker. We could draw a short line over and up. Over and up. Then we can draw the legs. I'm going to draw the letter U coming down and up on both sides. And this is also the feet. So let's give our little unicorn some yellow rain boots. Now let's draw the arms. And we could draw the rest of the jacket. I'm going to draw a rectangle shape coming out on each side. Whoops, squeaky marker. And then for the hands, we can just draw a simple letter C and backward C for this side. What are we missing?
The tail.
Yeah, let's draw it coming out to the side. We can draw an S curve, so it'll curve one way, down, and then back the other way. And then let's draw it curving down right here, and we can add a little zigzag. So we'll go back up, and then I'm gonna curve around all the way and connect to the coat. We did it! We finished drawing our little unicorn with a rain jacket, except we're not completely done.
Nope, we still need to color it.
Yeah, this part will speed up, so remember to pause the video and take time to color your drawings. We did it! We finished drawing and coloring our cute little unicorns, and they turned out awesome. I especially love how big yours is.
Oh, thanks. I also like that we added a puddle.
Yes, I like that too. I also added some raindrops. And our friends could add even more things, like an entire background. You could even have more friends with rain jackets.
And some rain clouds.
Yeah, that would be perfect.
We hope you had fun drawing a spring unicorn.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we hope you add extra things to your drawings. And we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.